Okay, first graders, remember this week we're looking at adjectives that compare. Okay, so we are going to find adjectives that compare, and we are going to decide if they are comparing between two nouns or three or more nouns. Okay, so if you think that the sentence is comparing between two things, then you're just going to write a little two here. If you think the sentence is comparing between three or more things, you're going to write a 3 on the line over here. Okay, so we're just thinking 2 or 3. So here, section A says circle the adjectives that compare in the sentences. Write 2 if the adjective compares 2 nouns. Write 3 if the adjective compares 3 or more nouns. Okay, so number 1, we'll find it together, and then you can decide if it's 2 nouns or 3 or more being compared. Number 1 says, I am the tallest kid in my class. Okay, what's the word that shows we are comparing? Tallest. Okay, now think of the sentence. Are they talking about two? Are they just comparing 2 children and how tall they are? Or are they comparing 3 or more children? I am the tallest kid in my class. Put down either a 2 or a 3. Number 2, my dog is older than my cat. Are we comparing 2 things or 3 or more? 2 or 3. Find the adjective that shows we're comparing. My dog is older than my cat. Number 3, this strawberry is sweeter than the plum. What's our word showing that we are comparing? And are we comparing 2 things or 3 or more? Number 4, Kenny was the wettest of all the kids. Which word shows we are comparing? And are we comparing only 2 kids or 3 or more? Number 5, choose one of the adjectives you circled. So look up here at the words that we circled when we found those comparative adjectives, and use one of them to write your own sentence here on number 5. Remember, when we write sentences, we want to start with a capital, end with a period, spaces between your words, and your very best handwriting. Come back tomorrow to see how you did.